Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate toilet plumbing cost for a 7 feet by 5 feet bathroom using a simple step-by-step material estimation method. This is very important for site engineers, civil engineering students, designers, contractors, and plumbers calculate toilet area. First, let's calculate the bathroom area. The length of the toilet is 7 feet and the width is 5 feet. The formula for area is area equals length times width. So, area equals 7 times 5 equals 35 square feet. Therefore, the total bathroom area is 35 square feet. Plumbing fixtures required. Now, let's identify the plumbing fixtures required for a standard 7 feet by 5 feet bathroom. We need one western WC, one shower set, one wash basin, one health faucet, one floor trap, one bib cock. Therefore, total fixtures equal 6 numbers. Water supply pipe calculation. Now, let's calculate the CPVC water supply pipe requirement. For the wash basin, we need approximately 8 feet of CPVC pipe. For the western WC, we need 10 feet. For the shower set, we need 12 feet. And for the bib cock, we need approximately 5 feet. Now, let's calculate the total pipe length. Total pipe length equals 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 5 equals 35 feet. To avoid material shortage during installation, we add 10% wastage. So, 35 times 1.10 equals 38.5 feet, which is approximately 39 feet. For practical site work, we round it off to 40 feet. Therefore, total CPVC pipe required equals approximately 40 feet. Drainage pipe calculation. Next, let's calculate the drainage pipe requirement. The WC outlet requires approximately 8 feet of drainage pipe. The floor trap connection requires 10 feet. The wash basin waste pipe requires 7 feet. And the vent connection requires approximately 10 feet. Now, let's calculate the total drainage pipe length. Total length equals 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10 equals 35 feet. Again, we add 10% wastage. 35 times 1.10 equals 38.5 feet, which is approximately 39 feet. For site execution, we consider it as 40 feet. Therefore, total drainage pipe required equals approximately 40 feet. Total plumbing cost calculation. Finally, let's calculate the total plumbing cost. The approximate cost of CPVC pipes and fittings is 4,500 rupees. The cost of drainage pipes and fittings is 3,500 rupees. The western WC set costs approximately 8,000 rupees. The wash basin costs approximately 3,000 rupees. The shower set and health faucet cost approximately 2,500 rupees. The estimated labor cost is 5,500 rupees. Now, let's calculate the total cost. Total cost equals 4,500 plus 3,500 plus 8,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,500 plus 5,500 equals 27,000 rupees. Therefore, the approximate plumbing cost for a 7 feet by 5 feet bathroom is 27,000 rupees. The actual plumbing cost may vary between 25,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees. Thank you for watching. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.